Clerkenwell LGBTQIA+ History Project Video 8, the London Lesbian and Gay Centre, which operated in Cowcross Street from 1984 to 1992. It was originally a warehouse, part of Smithfield, a sort of meat warehouse, and in the 80s it was fitted out with a £750,000 grant by the Greater London Council as a pro-LGBTQIA+ initiative. There was a lot of controversy about the place because it was claimed it would cost £100,000 a year to run, and the population of LGBTQIA+ people in Islington was estimated to be about 20%, 1 in 5, and there was a large backlash against the plan and about the mayor, Bob Crossman, who was gay, and so there was a lot of controversial press about the situation, and I think I actually went to it in about 1992, and it was the first time I ever met someone who was non-binary and who chose they, them pronouns. I didn't realize until then that that was possible. So I learnt something from those. Well, it was the late days of the LGBTQIA+ centre, because it closed by the end of 1992, but it was relatively early on in my experience, about 3 years in after, quite early on, and I was introduced to it by friends who had been there, who knew about London's queer scene much better than me. That's all I'll say about this one for the moment, but thanks for watching, and bye for now.